Surviving on a planet with no sun, what if the sun disappeared for a day? Welcome to another journey through the cosmos with D3, where the what-ifs of science spark the fires of imagination. What if one morning you looked up and the sun was gone? No sunrise, no warmth, just an eerie darkness stretching across the sky. Let's be clear, our sun is the beating heart of our solar system. So what happens to Earth if it just vanishes, even for a day? Here's the twist. If the sun disappeared, we wouldn't know right away. Because light takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth, you'd still see daylight for a few minutes even after it was gone. But when that final photon hits, darkness falls. Not night, not shade, but a deep, cold, cosmic blackout. Within hours, Earth's surface would start to cool. Within a week, the average temperature would drop below -17 degrees Celsius or 1 degree Fahrenheit. Within a year, it could reach -73 degrees Celsius or 100 degrees Fahrenheit below zero. The oceans wouldn't freeze right away, thanks to geothermal heat, but they'd begin icing over from the top down, turning our blue planet into a ball of glassy silence. Photosynthesis would stop, plants would die, the food chain would collapse, but would everything perish? Not quite. Some microbes, deep-sea creatures and extremophiles, organisms that thrive in darkness and heat, might keep going. And we humans, we'd retreat underground, living in geothermal-powered bunkers using stored food and artificial lights. A sci-fi survival world that could become our reality. If the sun vanished and came back in 24 hours, Earth would survive, barely. We'd face communication outages, freezing crops, infrastructure shock. But our magnetic field and atmosphere would hold. It'd be a global disaster, but not extinction. And we'd never take sunrise for granted again. Thankfully, our star isn't going anywhere anytime soon, but questions like these remind us just how perfectly balanced our lives really are. The sun isn't just a ball of gas, it's a lifeline, so cherish its warmth, its rise and its light, because it makes everything possible. Subscribe for more deep dives into science, space and survival, and as always, keep looking up.